How to cancel CVS CarePass subscription. To cancel your CVS CarePass subscription, first of all, you can use phone cancellation method as well as the online cancellation. If you are looking for phone cancellation method, you simply have to call the CVS support. You can find the number by simply opening your desktop browser or your device's browser, tap on the search bar, then simply type CVS support number. Once you type this, you should be able to find the number over here. You simply have to copy it onto your device's phone application and simply call it. From here, you can cancel, or you can also use the online cancellation method. You have to launch browser of your choice once again, then tap on this search bar, then proceed to type CVS CarePass management page. Within the Care page, you simply have to go ahead and sign into your CVS account and link your extra care card, select the cancel membership and follow the prompts to finish it. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.